Hey guys, I'm back with another video for Bio A&P, and today we're going to talk about muscle contraction. Now, I know we don't think much into it whenever we contract a muscle or stand up or flex an arm or just daily life, right? But trust me, you guys, this happens in nanoseconds, but there's steps to it. So without further ado, this is how it happens, right? So step one in a muscle contraction is action potential generates, which stimulates the muscle to do what we need it to do, right? Which is to contract. So at this point, if you don't know what action potential is, you have a lot more reading to do. But really quick, action potential, it's basically a signal that travels through motor neurons. And when the motor neurons get to the neuromuscular junction, it reaches the muscle cell. When that happens, the motor neuron releases a message, right? So that message is usually step two, Ca2 positive, which is basically just calcium ions. And the 2 positive is, again, just scientific terms, meaning that it's 2 less electrons than protons, and it's not stable in nature. So calcium 2 positive is released. That's step 2. Step 3 is calcium 2 positive then binds to troponin, shifting the actin filaments, which exposes the binding sites. Now, you guys, for my Bio A&P students, if you have visible body and you watch this happen, it's really cool, right? So step 4 is the myosin cross bridge attach and detach, pulling actin filaments towards the center. Now, this requires ATP. And again, by this point, you should know what ATP is, right? So it's adenosine triphosphate, right? And the principal function of it is it's a molecule that's responsible for storing and transferring energy cells, right? So typically we call it energy currency. And we say it's the energy currency of the cell because it's, if you can compare it to money in the bank. If you say, like, you're not always using it, but when you need it, it's there, right? At a split second, you need it, stick your card, you get it. It's kind of how ATP works. So that everything I just said, steps 1 through 4, requires ATP. So after all of that I just mentioned, the muscle will contract. Then calcium 2 positive is removed, which shifts actin filaments to the original position, blocking binding sites. That stops the muscle from contracting. And there you have it, you guys. I'll be back with another video for you soon, and that was muscle contraction. Thank you.